TOAM's open-air merchandisers, TOAMs, place maximum attention on merchandising and allow easy access to displayed products, resulting in high impulse sales. A balanced, environmentally friendly refrigeration system holds food temperatures between 33 and 40 degrees, ideal for fresh packaged salads, sandwiches, desserts, and beverages. TOAMs are available in a variety of sizes. Standard models feature solid exteriors, while GS models feature partial glass sides for maximum product visibility. Units come standard with black powder-coated rolled steel exteriors and white aluminum interiors with stainless steel floor and deck pans. White and stainless steel exteriors and black or stainless interiors are also available. For a bold and unique look, cabinets can be powder-coated in additional custom colors and outfitted with numerous sign options. No sign versions are also available. TOAMs are NSF approved for storage and display of packaged or bottled product with a maximum ambient temperature of 80 degrees. High output LED lighting provides even illumination throughout the cabinet and on each shelf. TOAMs come standard with adjustable, solid powder-coated cantilever shelves and retractable night cover. Additional options include casters, legs, heated drain pans, and locking security covers. TOAM's reversing condenser fan motor helps minimize periodic maintenance while increasing energy efficiency. TOAM's committed to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, providing colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. TOAM's open-air merchandisers.